Do I need a will? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law, and let me give you the top 32 reasons as to why you need a will. If I get tired along the way, I might stop. 32 is an awful lot. The number one reason you may need a will is, well, maybe I should start with something else. Maybe you don't need a will. Maybe you have an estate that is simple and straightforward. Maybe you don't have a lot of heirs, or you don't have a lot of money, no assets, you don't have property. Maybe you don't need a will. Maybe you have a lot of money. Maybe you need a trust, right? Maybe you need a different estate plan. Perhaps deal with beneficiary designations or in trust for accounts, something like that. So the top reason you might need a will is to manage your affairs upon your death. Perhaps you have a property that you'd like to go to one or more people. Maybe you have a bank account or a car that you'd like to go and get distributed, dispersed to one or more people. So the will is there, number one, to manage your affairs after you're gone. A second reason, maybe you have a loved one, a significant other, a person that you really care about, that you're not legally married to, that you're not blood related to. So if you're in a long-term relationship or a committed short relationship, deeply in love, you have no children, you have no property, but you have something that you do want to give to this person, right? Maybe it's a bank account, maybe it's a picture or an heirloom, some favorite object. Well, a will can do that. Because if you have no will, anything that you own passes by the laws of intestacy. It passes through the template made by the state that you live in. So if you don't have a will, anything that you own will pass to your heirs in a certain program designed by the state, right? According to their rules. So you need the will. I'll stop at 2 reasons, right? Maybe I'll give you one more on the way out. So the second and most important reason that you might need a will is to pass on to a non-blood relative, non-married individual. And what's the third reason? Well, I did say I was going to give 32. I'm even struggling to get up to 3. So maybe you don't need a will. Why don't you call me to find out? You could reach me through my website, frankbrunolaw.com. You could schedule an appointment. I have a separate website for that. It hits my scheduling page, www.callfrankbruno.com. Thanks a lot. Be well.